Hi friends, a warm welcome from Aussie's Groups and PTE Tutorials. My name is Somil Krishnani. I am a PTE coach and I have here with me Mr. Nafas Mohammed. He has scored an excellent score in PTE. He scored 90 in speaking, 90 in reading, 90 in listening, and 79 in writing, overall achieving an equivalent score to 8 bands. I'm very happy to have him here, and I would like to hear from him that how his journey has been till now and how he achieved this score. Yes, Nafas.
Yes, thanks, Somil. So this is my sixth attempt. Actually, I have earlier I have attempted the first attempt was like I got very poor mark in speaking. After that one, I got a little bit good marks, but later I think I enrolled for PTE-Tutorials.com. So I need somebody has to give me proper guidance so whether I am using everything is perfect where I can achieve 79. Otherwise, there is no point in like writing the exams repeatedly and all. So then I enrolled for online coaching. So I don't want to like I was traveling around India, so I don't want to I will not be able to go to any other sites or something other locations. So I've been following with the video tutorials or videos and all. So I was impressed and I joined, and also you gave me confidence that one I would be able to achieve this score. So it was a tough journey, but it was at last it paid off.
No, definitely. You worked very hard and you followed all the tips, tricks, and strategies that I gave you, had the confidence in yourself, and then you were able to achieve this score. This is like it feels so good that someone who you came from had the belief in you and they can achieve it. That's perfect. Uh, if you'd also like to share one more thing here, the attempt where something happened during that so that people can know about what happens in the center, like how to choose a center here.
So actually, the previous attempt I supposed to achieve the last attempt itself, but the problem was like my one of my the and another candidate was like he was very loud and like I was not able to hear anything. So I complained with the guy who is responsible for that center. Then they gave me some earbuds and all, but it's a so like I was really upset and even my system got rebooted once. So the problem is it may happen. This is the PT, like it may happen. So I thought it's like my fate or something. Then the last attempt was also I got like a 19 all except in speaking. So I thought like I would never able to achieve I would get maximum 50 or 60 in speaking because the other guy he was very loud and all. And after the exam, I thought to speak with him and say that only because of you, I this time also I would fail or something. Later I thought, okay, this is how PT works or something. Okay, so
No,
we cannot.
here I just want, with your example, I just want to say the students that don't worry about whatever happens. Have faith in yourself, then you can do it and execute it. Execute it accordingly, according to the. And what do you think? What do you think? Like, is PT like very difficult, or if you know the patterns and everything, you can achieve the score?
It is like it is. I think PT is very fair. Okay, I am like I have 100% trust on. If I did in every exam, if I did well, like I got the desired score. It is like a very fair and very reliable software or something. So, but it has some of the things, some of the strategies or something. So, in the from the first attempt till the last attempt, my English may not be improved that much, but my strategy is changed or something like. So, if you go through, if you enroll for the correct guide or something, you don't need like multiple attempts or something. You may be able to achieve in first or maximum in second attempt. So instead of directly going, if you are not very good in taking exams or cracking exams or something, it may be better to go with a good trainer and get all the uh, all the strategies and also they give like a live feedback. So we don't need to think about anything. Like you mentioned that only you instead of thinking too much about the the like interrelated this one. So something is repeat sentences comes under speaking and listening. So you mentioned me, don't forget about everything. You just each part you do it perfectly. So I thought like yeah,
Perfect,
and also
perfect. Yeah. Okay then. So, last but not the least, I would really like you to tell, like, would you suggest PT tutorials to other people?
definitely, I have not seen any other any other websites or any other Telegram groups is providing this much this much support. Even I was started earlier. I like when I was started to watching all the PT tutorials videos. I really I was underestimated. Later I thought that it is genuine. All people are genuine, and it is very important. And even exam before exam I was watched one Tanu madam's one video. So she said like in the summarized written text you can use the same words or something if it is like a cohesion and everything is important. So I thought no, also I got a lot of like advice from them. You don't should not do any experiment during the exam. You do whatever tried and tested methods or something. So the last exam I completely avoid using like trying something, some other vocabularies or something during the exam or something. So instead of, I think I just like went directly and didn't think too much. Get the questions, select the answer, go forward, like
Perfect,
move ahead.
perfect. Okay then, perfect. I am like last but not the least, but I'm very happy to like see your score, and like best of luck for all your future endeavors. It was very nice having you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Samir. Thank you for
Yeah,
thank you for your support during the
sure.
training. Thank you.